That's better. Yeah? Are you talking to me? Hi. What are you saying? You say hello to Dada? Ooh. Ooh. Can you give Dada a smile? Can you give me a smile? Can you give me a little smile? Hmm? Yeah? Where's my smile? A little smile. Give me a little smirk. Hi, Anthony. Can you smile for me? Can you smile for Dada? Hi. Hi. Hello, my beautiful boy. Hello. Let me get that little hair out of there for you. So you got your mommy's hair. You smile. Oh, waving. Hello. 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 Yeah. Hi, Bubba. Yeah.